How to turn off read receipt on email. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this Guide Studio, and today's guide will show you how you can easily disable the read receipt feature on your email account. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to turn off read receipt, you just need to open up the email app from your phone, and from the home page, go and tap on this profile icon at the top left. And once you're here inside your profile, you just need to go ahead and tap on security and privacy. Inside this one, you just need to scroll down a little bit from here, and under the privacy, you'll get to see the option read receipts. You just need to tap on these, and it's currently selected with the my contact, so it might be selected with everyone, doesn't matter. Now to disable or turn off, you just need to select nobody. Once you do that, nobody can actually see the read receipt or message delivered option when you send any message to your friends. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.